What is up, y'all? Welcome to Mancave Minutes 9. Gonna jump straight into this pretty much because I just really want to work on the car. That's kind of what I've been wanting to do for a while now. But I got my buddy Michael coming over. He's gonna be here a little bit later. One of the things that I've struggled with in this garage has been lighting. So it's been really hard to kind of film and, you know, show you guys what I'm doing when it's not daylight in here, just because, like, I'll try and show you basically. So like, you can see my car's lit up here, but when I have the garage door up, the whole front half of the car is pretty much in the dark. So it's like, you know, kind of hard to film because you can't see anything. But I do have a solution. If you can see the little guy there. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna die on this thing. Bam! Look at that. We in there like swimwear. All lit up. And it rolls down with the garage, so hopefully nothing breaks. But yeah, so I'm gonna jump in and start going in and yeah, clearing everything I can out of here, so that way we can finally get this thing sent off and respray the engine bay, which I'm hoping to just do exactly how it is, like leave, you know, the standard stuff standard. I'll tape it off, mask it up, and then either we're gonna do a gloss black or we'll do another satin black like it currently is. But I mean, I just basically want to clean it up. I'm not looking for anything flash or anything like that. A couple of my friends been saying, you know, shave the bay and all that stuff, and we'll see, man. Like, it's more of a clean it up, make it look nice, but not really going overboard as far as like shaving all the holes down and stuff like that, because plenty of these things, like, I can still use them. Like, they have the nuts on the back of them still tacked to the car, so I can still use them. Granted, yes, I could just drill a hole, weld a nut to the back, and then still have that same ability, but meh. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is basically set this camera up so that you can kind of see what I'm doing, and we'll start ripping everything out of this thing. So when Michael comes, because if I know Michael the way I think I do, he's gonna have his exhaust valve closed, and his car is like, it's 900 horsepower, fast 9-second car. Well, it ain't 9 seconds yet because he ain't done a 9, but insanely fast car, and it's just super quiet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and get video of him pulling up, just so you can really hear how quiet that thing is. And before I forget, because I'm sure you would have just seen these things as I stood up on them, I did get some wheels from a buddy of mine, Andrew. Yeah, the one with the red everything. So special shout out, thank you man, appreciate that. I was planning on actually buying these after I saw them, but then I noticed that they're actually not a square set. I wanted basically a full square set of these before I put them on the car, but the fronts are a 9.5 and the rear are a 10.5. So I put one of the rears on already, but you can't really see it. But that's alright, because it's just something for me to roll the car around. So once I get this thing, I guess, a little bit more stripped down, I'm gonna pull it out the garage, use you know, some good soaps and stuff like that, and clean all this stuff up, and you'll be able to see the wheels then anyway. So yeah, wheels acquired. Thank you, Andrew. Alright, so I know for a fact I can hear him coming. Hello? Huh? I'll move this one for you and you can park right here.
Yeah, I'll move this way.
Yeah.
Did you get my text?
Yeah. I'm talking to him now. Oh, he was. Yeah. He goes. You guys cruising? I was like, I'm working on this thing. He didn't say nothing about that. I'll message him now. The beast. The most quiet beast. So we were about to try to take off the brake master cylinder plus the clutch booster and basically try and get the whole firewall empty. So ABS, delete, all that stuff's coming out. And we'll finally be able to start cleaning this thing. So I'll set the camera up and I got a time lapse happening up there. So hopefully we can capture this. Alright, so quick little update. We got ABS is out, clutch boosters out, clutch boosters out. The clutch master is coming out. Or is that brake master? No, that's clutch.
Clutch master, yeah.
Yeah. Almost ready to clean it up. Probably just gonna stick the wheels on. Actually, I'll probably do that right now. Put the wheels on the back and then we'll be ready to probably clean it tomorrow, if anything. I'm gonna just label all the nuts and bolts where they're supposed to go and then go from there. What do you think?
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Like if it was a square set, I think I'd like it a little bit more.
Black or bronze, man, you can't go wrong.
Yeah. We'll see what it looks like when I put it on the ground as well. But I kind of like it. This is what I am trying to achieve. Wait, let me get a light. Let me get a light. Perfection. It's just so clean. It's just so clean. But the respray makes it look so much better. Ooh, I'm stealing that idea. FPR on the firewall? Yeah, I'm stealing that one. Lovely. This is all I got, so this is all I have to capture the goodness, so I apologize, but what up? Alright, so I just finished pulling all the wiring out. Everything's clear. The car is actually on the ground for the first time, which the wheels actually don't look too bad on it either. But I'm just gonna bag up all the ECU the wiring harness with some plastic bags, so tomorrow that I can clean up the cross member, spray it, hit it with some degreaser, and start sanding it back, getting it ready for paint. Nissan, I have a question for you. Why the hell do you need 15 feet of freaking hard line for the clutch master cylinder and clutch slave cylinder? And what the hell does that box do? Ridiculous. That took it out of us. Massive thank you to Michael. Big thank you to Marianne. Massive thank you to Andrew for letting me borrow some wheels. They look killer. Check those bad boys out. They look pretty good, I got to say. If they were a square set, 100%, I'd keep those on. But the fronts are 9.5s, I think, and the rears are 10.5s. And this 265 tires and 245 tires, so both are wider than what I had previously. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm still kind of on the fence about them, to be honest. But I'd like to run a square set. Tomorrow becomes the task of cleaning all the grease out of the engine bay, sanding it all back, getting it ready for paint. I've already got all that stuff booked in, ready to go. So I'll get the car on a tow truck, or if I can find a tow car, I'll do a trailer trip down to the paint shop with the boys, and then we will get this thing painted. Paperweight will be pretty, and we'll start ordering all the rubbers and little clips and knickknacks to get everything back in there and ready for an engine to be put in, you know. So yeah, massive thank you to all my friends helping me out. Yeah, can't thank you guys enough. I'm like dead tired, so I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Well, probably won't upload it tomorrow, but see you soon. We'll get the engine bay ready, prepped up and painted, and we'll be one step closer to having a complete car again. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click subscribe, check out the Facebook group, and most importantly, check out the merch shop that I've got below. I've got 2 links for you to check out. Check them both. I update them both all the time. Stuff like that helps me get this thing on the road faster, get better camera gear, and yeah, generally just make better content for you guys. So definitely check that stuff out. Thanks so much for the support so far, and I will see you guys next time.